Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're building a PC or just looking to upgrade your rig, I've got something super exciting to talk about today. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600 processor. Now, this chip packs a punch for gamers, content creators, and general power users alike. So, in today's video, we're gonna dive into everything you need to know about this CPU, from specs to performance, and whether or not it's the right choice for your next build. Let's get into it. Alright, first off, let's break down the specs. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600 is a 6-core, 12-thread processor built on the 7nm Zen 3 architecture. It has a base clock of 3.5 GHz, with a boost clock that can reach up to 4.4. That's a lot of power for multitasking, gaming, and productivity work. One of the highlights of the Ryzen 5 5600 is its 32 MB L3 cache. That cache size is perfect for gaming, as it helps with quick access to frequently used data, improving overall performance. And with a 65-watt TDP, it's pretty power efficient, so you won't have to worry about massive power draw or excessive heat. So let's talk performance. AMD's Zen 3 architecture has been a game changer for Ryzen chips, and the 5600 is no exception. Whether you're gaming, editing, or doing some heavy multitasking, this CPU is more than capable. The 6 cores and 12 threads mean you've got enough processing power to handle gaming at high settings, streaming, and even some light video editing without a hitch. Let's take a quick look at some benchmarks. In games like Cyberpunk 2077, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, and Call of Duty, the Ryzen 5 5600 holds its own, delivering smooth frame rates and consistent performance. And if you're into content creation or running apps like Adobe Premiere, this chip will handle multi-threaded tasks like a champ. Now, let's talk about compatibility. The Ryzen 5 5600 uses the AM4 socket, which has been around for a while. So if you're upgrading from an older Ryzen chip, this is a great choice. But if you're building a new system, make sure you have a compatible motherboard. Most B450, B550, and X570 motherboards will work with the 5600 after a quick BIOS update. Now, a little heads up, this particular Ryzen 5 5600 does not come with a fan. So if you don't already have a cooling solution, should you pick up the AMD Ryzen 5 5600? If you're building a gaming rig or doing some content creation on a budget, this chip is an excellent choice. It offers fantastic value, great performance, and solid power efficiency. Just don't forget to grab an aftermarket cooler, since there's none included in the box. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments what you think about the Ryzen 5 5600. Is it your next CPU upgrade, or are you looking at something else? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.